Framer AI Website Builder tutorial. So here I am in the Framer homepage, and then from here, make sure you already have your Framer account, and then you're already logged in, and then let's go to the projects dashboard. So just go right here to dashboard and then click projects. Then from here, you can go ahead and choose a Framer project that you want to edit. So for example, if you don't have a project yet, you can just click new project, and then you can go ahead and create a blank project. And then I already have the blank project open right here in another tab. And then if you want to use the Framer AI, you just need to click plugins right here, and then you should see an AI option right here. But unfortunately, that option is only available if you have a paid plan right here for Framer. So you need to have a paid Framer account. But don't worry, if you don't have a paid Framer account, you can also use the AI website builder right here in the free version by just using AI frame plugins. So if you don't see the AI frame plugin, you can just search for AI frame right here in the search bar, and then you should see this one, marketplace plugins, and then you have the AI frame. So you can click that so that we can use the website builder right here for Framer. So keep in mind that if you are using the free plan, as you can see, you will also have like a free trial for this AI frame right here. So as you can see, it will tell you how many uses that you have left right here at the bottom, and then you can upgrade to Pro if you want. So now we can use the website builder by just clicking site builder, and then we can go ahead and describe the content that we want to have in our Framer website. So it's helpful if you be more descriptive right here in the description, since that will help the AI to know what you want to do in your website. So having more details right here in the description is helpful so that the AI can go ahead and generate what you want. So for example, create a portfolio website where it has the essential sections, which are the hero section, about section, contact section, and featured content section, like that. And then you can be more descriptive with the colors, make it have a color theme of blue and purple, for example. And then you can go ahead and select the canvas and then click generate. And then from here, just go ahead and wait for this to finish analyzing your description, and then it should go ahead and display or create the prompt that you just created right here. So we'll just need to wait. As you can see, it says building website, and then now it's creating the website right here. It has a template right here called Purple Wave Creations, and then you'll just need to wait for it to finish. Now that it's finished, we now have our AI website right here in Framer. Then you can go ahead and change the photos right here, and then you can also change the text right here so that you can go ahead and edit this Framer AI website template right here to suit your needs. So sometimes it can have some errors, so totally follow my prompt right here. I said make it have a color theme of blue and purple, but it just made it into a plain black and white. But that's okay, since you can go ahead and edit the look of your Framer website right here. And then you can go ahead and go to styles, and then you can add the colors yourself. For example, right here, I can change the colors right here to blue like this. And then you can go ahead and add it to all of your sections. But as you can see, I think the AI still had the blue and purple theme right here. It's just that it's not applied or seen properly. So when we click preview, we can see that it still has like this subtle blue color right here. So it just looks like a black color. But you can go ahead and select the styles right here so that you can go ahead and apply the color theme. And then we also have some other features right here. So instead of using the site builder, you can also use the text generator right here. So for example, it can help you create some information about your company. Maybe, for example, you want to have like an about us text in your Framer website. Then you can put the context right here. Like, for example, our company is located in New York. It's founded in 1990, and then you can add some more information right here so that you can go ahead and create a sample text right here for your website. But that is basically it. So that is how we can use the Framer AI website builder to help you create your website right here in Framer. And then that's it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.